Today is September 14. Yesterday I make a post on Medium using ChatGPT. If you copy this post, how to sell kitchen equipment, open a private window and search for this keyword on Google, you will find that this post ranked on the Google top within just 24 hours. Just click here and you can see this is the post by Amelia Davis, which is my fake Medium account. So within just 24 hours we rank this post and start earning money. And if you scroll down, you can see this is a affiliate link. If anyone click on this link and buy the product, I will get 150 US dollar just by one sale. And this keyword is not a bad keyword. This keyword has search volume. If you copy this keyword and go to SEMrush and search for this keyword, you will see this keyword has 70 USA traffic, 20 UK traffic, and also Canadian traffic, and the keyword difficulty is very low, 3%, and this is not the exact number. The number will be 3 to 5 times more, almost 200 plus traffic monthly. People search on these keywords on Google. So I just ranked these keywords on Google within just 24 hours. In this video, I will show you how you can rank a post within few days using Parasite SEO and start earning money by promoting the affiliate products. So stay tuned with this video. Don't miss any part of this video. This is the post I posted yesterday and you can view the post. This post is totally created by ChatGPT, no human touch. I just put this link here. If you click this link, it will redirect it to Shopify page, and if anyone get this Shopify by clicking my link, I will get 150 US dollar per sale. So this is the strategy. You will rank a post using Parasite SEO and put the affiliate link and get commission by affiliate payments. So you may wonder, what is Parasite SEO? Parasite SEO is a new term that is getting more popular last few years, mostly from the last year, after the major Google updates. So if you search anything on Google, like how to pet a cat or anything on Google, you will see the Reddit or the Quora or LinkedIn, Medium are ranking on the top. So Google are giving priorities to this popular website like Reddit, Medium, Quora, and the social media sites like the YouTube. And if you scroll down a little bit, and you can see more social media like Facebook, Quora, and other social media. You can see the Quora here and so on. So Google are giving ranks to these popular websites, and the method to rank on Google by posting on this popular websites is called Parasite SEO. So if you go to the SEMrush and search for Quora.com, and you will see they are getting lots of traffic from 2023, the last year, from August. You can see they are getting billions of traffics. If you go to the reddit.com and see their traffic history, they are getting massive traffic from the August 2023, the last year Google helpful content update. The Google is ranking these social media sites. So if you get the opportunity and if you post your contents on this Reddit and the Quora or on the Medium, you will get instant ranking and you will get traffic. So you can see the Reddit is getting billions of traffics, and with this relevant traffic you can put contents, you can put affiliate links on the content, and by promoting these links you will get a huge amount of money within just short time. If you go to the AppSumo, you can find lots of products here and you can promote these individual products, and if you are able to sell any product, you will get $50 per sale if the customer is new. So AppSumo is giving $50 for a new customer. So let's see, if you write a content on this instant chat review, just copy this and go to ChatGPT and write a content on instant chat. Let's search for this instant chat review and just write review like you can see the Medium post ranked, this Medium post ranked, which is written by me. Is just write content on this art on this keyword and put it on medium.com, and you will instantly rank on those keywords. If anyone search for this keyword instant chat review and click on your medium link and buy this, by clicking here, if they buy this, you will get $50 commission per sale. So if you are interested to learn about this Parasite SEO, the new SEO, write content using ChatGPT and rank on Google, get the affiliate commission, then like this video and comment below that you want to learn the process of creating content using ChatGPT and post it on the Parasite website like Medium or LinkedIn and get unlimited sales and get unlimited commissions. If I get 1000 likes on this video and 1000 comment on this video, then I will create next episode on Parasite SEO in details, step by step guides to help you learn the new SEO technique, the Parasite SEO technique. I will share with you some amazing tool. Using those tools, you can create unlimited bulk article auto blogging with Medium. So stay connected, like this video and comment below and subscribe our channel to get the next video on Parasite SEO.